Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back with another video today. And I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about stocks, and we also talk about other financial literacy topics such as credit and other wealth strategies, and also crypto. So thank you for joining today. And today's top stocks in my Robinhood account are CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike was up 2.97%. Ticker symbol CRWD, and Snap was also up 4.66%. So we're going to take a quick look at those two stocks. Here shows here CrowdStrike was up 3.88% on the day, and you see this nice trajectory. It's a nice little gain. I hope everyone had a position. It also has a 52-week high of 272. So it is touching that 52-week high. So it may be too late to join in the party now. But CrowdStrike was up on the day 3.88% on the day. And also let's take a quick look at Snap. It was up as well. Shows Snap was up on the day 4.80%. Again, we talked about this stock 2 weeks ago on earnings call, how they had a lot of great technology and a lot of good things going on, especially with augmented reality. It is still close as 52-week high. So if you missed its pullback the last few days, so it pulled back 72, it might be off to the races. But Snap was another good performer today in my Robinhood account, so I had to talk about it. Also, I'm not invested in Robinhood, the stock, but Robinhood had the biggest gains today at 50%. It's a relatively new company, as far as trading on the stock market. It still is in the first 6 months of the lockup period. So some of the early investors, they can't sell their stock yet. So we won't really know the true value of the stock, but it did jump 50% on the day. And we just look at the chart, you can see, okay, it opened up last week at $36 per share. And this week, August 4th, it jumped nearly 50%. So kudos to all the early public share or secondary investors who made an investment here in Robinhood, and good luck. All right, so let's see what else is going on in Robinhood. Let's see in the news. Surprised they don't talk about in the daily movers, but it just says here, see, Wall Street Journal says Facebook cut off access for NYC research into political ad targeting. So that's new. Also, GM posts a $2.8 billion profit and raises its 4-year guidance, but the stock did fall by 8% on the day. So if you're invested in GM, it may be a time to buy in some more if you believe in the bigger vision of GM and their electric vehicles. But they did post a $2.8 billion profit, and the shares, I believe, are trading somewhere about $52 per share. So those are the news. You can check it out. I always have the Robinhood link and the Webull link below. So if you want to download the app and start getting some free shares, I have the links below. All right, so on to my other account. Looks like ticker symbol NPTN, or Newphonics Corporation. I had a gain today of 8.54%. So that was my high today in my other account. SOFI Technologies was up 8.14%. And this is one of the new fintechs where they do stock brokerage, they do car loans, they do student loans, and they also do home loans. So check out SOFI. The stock is trading, I believe it's undervalued. It's trading at $16 per share. It opened up about a month or a half ago at around $22 per share. But I believe SOFI in the next few quarters will get all that and more back. Okay, so next ticker we have is CWH, or Camp World Holdings, is up 7.29%. Again, this was a play during the pandemic last year where many people weren't staying in hotels. So I'm still invested in it, but I did sell some Camp World Holdings off last week. considering I had, I think, 20–30% gains, so I had to sell some off. Snap, as we talked about earlier in the Robinhood account, they're up 4.80%. Some other interesting AMD, as I talked about on my last 3 previous videos, AMD is up 4.26% on the day. And this is, you know, all the hard work that Lisa Su and AMD's leadership have been doing for the last year. They're in the process of acquiring Xilinx. The stock was trading pretty much between the 80s, $80 and $90 per share prior to Q2 earnings call last week, and now it's trading a little over $112 per share. So shout outs to AMD and all the people at the company. Thank you for all the hard work. Next ticker symbol we have is GBTC. This is Grayscale Bitcoin Trust Fund, and it is up 3.98%. Some other ones, some other chip companies, NVIDIA was up again as well today, 2.32%. And yeah, remember just about 3 weeks ago, the stock did split in the beginning of July, and it was trading roughly about 189 when it split, and now it's up 10 bucks. So keep your eye out on NVIDIA. The stock before the split was trading about $800 per share. I think it can make its way back to $350 per share. You know, the company has a lot of partnerships with automotive companies such as Audi and Tesla, and they do real-time video data recording. So this is a very powerful chip that NVIDIA has and all the other technology and services they provide. All right, and another favorite of mine is Okta, the cloud software company that helps do authorization and authentication for mid-sized companies. Okta stock went up 1.97% on the day. So it was a pretty decent day. This is sort of a flashback. This kind of reminds me of the pandemic, where a lot of the stay-at-home stocks were, you know, fintechs and cloud type software, because also have Twilio up as well. So pretty interesting stuff. Keep your eye out on some of these cloud softwares and also the chip companies, because chips are serious in 2021. Whether you're holding AMD or you're holding NVIDIA or you're holding Marvell Technologies, chips and semiconductors are very important in today's technology products and services. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and please leave your comments below. And I hope everyone had a great day in the trade. Good night.